Hey everyone, MyiDevice here. Feeling overwhelmed by lectures, meetings, or interviews?
Well, guess what? Apple's got your back with a brand new feature in iOS 18, live audio transcription. This amazing tool lets you record audio and see the words appear on your screen in real time, like magic. No more scrambling to take notes. Just capture everything and search the text later for key points.
Want to see how it works? Stick around. In this video, we'll dive deep into the live audio transcription, showing you the exactly what is it and how to use it on your iPhone. Let's do this. To use this feature, open Notes on your home screen, and after that, tap on here, and now select Record Audio. Now turn on this button to see your transcription and see the result as a live.
Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will teach you what is the live audio transcription and how to use it. New feature, iOS 18.
See how the words magically appear on the screen as you speak. Pretty cool, right? You can record as long as you need and the transcript will keep track of everything. Now you have an option to hear your voice or actually see your transcript. Let me show you.
Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. In this video,
And when you tap on here, you can see your transcript here, which is so great. Guys, live audio transcription is not just about recording. You can also search the transcript for specific keywords or phrases. This makes it easy to find exactly what you are looking for later. And you have another option to just record your voice now and see your transcriptions later. Just see this example.
This is one of the best and useful features of iOS 18.
And let me stop and done, and as you can see later, I can see my transcriptions here, which is so great. Transcription is still in beta version, but it's a powerful tool with a lot of potential. Imagine using it to capture important points during a job interview, a brainstorming season, or a colleague lecture. The possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade to iOS 18 and try out live audio transcription for yourself. And let me know in the comments below what you think of this awesome new feature. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next one.